Are you ready? Okay, today we're going to be doing the fluoride evaluation. So based on my patient, we're going to do the 5% sodium fluoride in the flavor Juicy grape bubblegum. So we want to make sure that obviously the teeth have no plaque buildup. Everything is clean and ready to go. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and open it. Okay, I want to make sure, let me throw that, remove that. We want to make sure that we mix this thoroughly. And you can use a gauze when you're applying it to make sure that there is no buildup. I'm not going to really apply this to my my Typodont, obviously, but what you would do is you would want to, you could use your mirror, but I don't want to get anything on it, so we would pull it out. You want to make sure before you apply the varnish, you want to make sure that you have completely dried the teeth, and you want to do even strokes over all surfaces of the teeth. I'm just going to kind of demonstrate it. I don't want to really put it on there. Make sure you get everything. You want to move quick because it does dry. And again, if you get any clumps, you can use a gauze to kind of remove it for any purposes that you need to. After you do thin brushes and make sure that it dries and you get all of the excess varnish off the teeth, you want to make sure that you give the patient a cup to spit in. You don't want to use your sucker, because I don't think it's called a sucker. Let me think about this. Is it a suction? You don't want to use the suction to get that, because this can cause harm to that. The varnish can. After you do that, you want to make sure that you tell your patient that they can make sure they eat a soft diet, avoiding beverages. You also want to make sure that they avoid any flossing, fluoride products during the period, which is the 4 to 6 hours. You want to make sure that they avoid any alcohol, any hot foods, any hard foods. You want to make sure that they discontinue their routine fluoride tablets, anything at home for the 2 to 3 days after the treatment. And then that's pretty much it. I would also put an Eagle Soft. I would go ahead and put the name and everything. That way we have documentations of what kind of varnish we used on them, and that's it.